Hey there, future affiliate marketing rockstar. Are you ready to transform your life and achieve financial freedom? Imagine waking up, grabbing your morning coffee, and checking your phone to see that you've made money while you slept. It's not just a fantasy, it's a reality for many successful affiliate marketers. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's a dream that can come true with the right guidance and strategies. Well, I'm here to tell you that this dream is closer than you think. And you don't even need to invest a dime to get started. Yes, you heard that right. No upfront investment required. Welcome to our exclusive 3-step affiliate marketing business model live training. This is your golden ticket to unlocking a new stream of income. This isn't just another online course, it's an invite-only closed-door session where I'll reveal the secrets that top affiliates use to rake in serious cash. These are strategies that have been tested and proven to work. Step 1. Finding the right affiliate platform. This is the foundation of your affiliate marketing journey. Whether it's ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or any other platform, I'll show you how to pick the best ones that suit your niche and have high commission rates. This step is all about setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. This step is crucial because choosing the right platform can mean the difference between making pennies and making bank. It's about working smarter, not harder. Step 2. Crafting irresistible offers. This is where the magic happens. It's not just about throwing a bunch of links out there and hoping for the best. You need a strategy that resonates with your audience. You need to understand what your audience wants and how to present it in a way that's compelling and hard to resist. This involves a bit of psychology and a lot of creativity. I'll teach you how to create offers that convert like crazy, no website needed. Yes, you can start making money without even having your own website. And finally, step 3, driving traffic to your offers. This is the lifeblood of your affiliate marketing business. Without traffic, even the best offers will sit there collecting dust. You need people to see your offers to make sales. I'll walk you through the most effective and cost-efficient ways to drive massive amounts of targeted traffic to your affiliate links. This includes both free and paid methods. From social media hacks to email marketing tips, you'll get the full playbook. These are techniques that can skyrocket your traffic and conversions. But here's the kicker, this training is absolutely free. Yes, you get all this valuable information at no cost. Yeah, you heard that right. You don't need to invest a single penny up front. This is a risk-free opportunity to learn and grow. In just 48 hours, you can be on your way to financial freedom. Imagine the possibilities. In just 48 hours, you can be on your way to financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to learn from the best and start your affiliate marketing journey on the right foot. This could be the turning point in your life. Click the link below to register now and secure your spot in this exclusive live training session. Spots are limited and they're filling up fast. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the inside. Together, we'll achieve great things.